following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 1:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monterey County in central California until 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 1:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Spreckles or near Salinas, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Salinas, Spreckles, and Chihuahua. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.